What's up, YouTube? Scotty here, working on kind of a sad project today. Maybe sad, maybe not. I'm going to be taking off the vinyl stripes. Alright, so before I start crying, you start crying about these stripes coming off, there is some possible good news. The wife has been hinting that she may want to keep this, which is awesome. She already gave it a name. She's going to call it Trixie. She could call it Hillary for all I care, as long as we keep it. So, today I'm going to go over some steps to remove vinyl. One thing you gotta have a heat gun to remove the vinyl. You can use a blow dryer, that's usually enough if it's a good, hot, high intensity blow dryer. But you gotta apply heat to get this stuff off, cleanly anyway. Also, if it's a good quality vinyl, then it really shouldn't leave any residue underneath. You know, if you use Oracle vinyl or 3M or Avery, I think is another one, those are all good quality US based vinyls. If you get some cheap stuff from China, then you could have a real mess on your hands underneath the vinyl trying to take it off. So I'm going to go through some of the steps to take this stuff off. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so I'm starting with the back. I already took a lot of it off here. I had the stripes on the side. Let's look up here. So I got the stripes on the side. This is really just a vinyl tape. This is a vinyl sheet that came in a 1 foot wide sheet. So they are different vinyls, but you know they were both good quality vinyls. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. So the first thing you want to do is you got to get a good edge somewhere. You know, usually along the bottoms or the corners or something like that, where there may have been an overlay or something like that is a good place to start. Alright, let's give this a shot. So pull back at a sharp angle, a little piece at a time. You want to try to avoid ripping it halfway through, because then it's just going to be hard to peel off again. But, you know, it should come off fairly easily. Just got to keep working it slowly. Both hands, all 4 fingers and your thumb on the bottom. Voila. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, see there, I ripped a piece. Let's try to get that back in line. Got it. You're better off going slow. Dang. Alright, now you probably notice all this dirt on here and all these lines. That is going to take some elbow grease to get off. Best thing to use with that is some WD-40. And that'll come off pretty easily. I've tried Goo Gone, but generally I think the WD-40 works best for this kind of stuff. This isn't glue. This is just dirt that accumulated, on the edges of the tape over time. All right, so this is where it might get a little bit harder. There's not really a good edge here anywhere. Probably it's going to have to lift the trunk and try to get an edge along the top there. So we got a feed from the bottom there. Too fast, too fast. Slow it down, big boy. should be an easy one. Alright guys, here's a little lesson learned. I didn't heat this up, and I just started peeling, and now there's some residue left underneath one of the pieces of tape. So that's really one of the main reasons for heating, is that it allows the tape to come off without leaving residue underneath. So I'm going to do the rest of the car, and I'll show you some pictures when it's done. There it is. 2 years of mods off in 4 hours. So far the wife said she wanted to keep the hood on for now. But I took the vinyl off the front there. Obviously took the stripe off. Took the trim around there off. Took the louver off. That was kind of a bitch. Stripe off all the way down. She said she wants to keep this on here for now, so we'll see how long that lasts. I did leave the easy lip on because that's there for protection right now, and left the flag on up on the top. But hopefully this is worth it. I mean, I gotta take all this mod stuff off anyway, even if I sell it. I can't have all this mod stuff on there. And if I do sell it, I'm taking the hood off and keeping it, and I'll put the old one back on. Maybe that hood will make it onto the Hellcat at some point. I don't know. Mix things up. Hoping she wants to keep it. We'll see. What a great car. But thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.